Of course it will start thundering and lightning again when I'm ready to record again. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Myesha Skye, and today we are going to be discussing turbans because they are a huge topic of conversation on my social media, whether it's my Facebook, my Instagram, my Twitter. By the way, are you following me on all of those? You should. They'll be linked down below. It's my girl mom. What's poppin', shorty? Is she downstairs and I'm filming a video?
Okay.
So you actually on camera. Say hi to my subscribers, girl mom.
Hi. Hi.
Look, I care about y'all, but I care about my Sandy more. Specifically, I've been getting a lot of questions about this specific turban. I did just film a video on this look, so if I'm looking a little familiar, it's because I just filmed 2 videos in one day. YouTube struggle. Yeah, so this turban gets a lot of questions. I also wore it in another style, which will be pictured here. And this turban is just the versatile turban from the Turban Empire. I'll leave all of the Turban Empire's information down below. They sell pretty affordable turbans. I love the company, and my sister owns it, so duh. And I'll just be showing you guys the different ways that I choose to use choose to wear this head wrap. If you guys like this video, then give it a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel down below. You know you want to. And without further ado, let's get started. Judge your mom. I know this looks crazy, but it's okay because I'm going to wash my hair tomorrow. So I'm going to take the versatile turban, which looks like, I'm trying to get a good picture of it. It has like a socket for your head, and then there's like 2 straps, 1 and 2 that I'm holding in my hand, for you to wrap around your head. So the way that I'm going to put this turban on is I'm just going to wrap it around, well, put it over top of my ponytail, and then I'm going to take each side and flip it upwards, and then I'm just going to nip and tuck wherever it feels comfortable. So I don't like that because it has a little hump, so you just have to play around with it. Yeah, if you have shorter hair than me, this will be relatively more easy for you, but because I have this long ponytail, which is like part of the reason why I want to cut my hair, because I really miss wearing turbans. Oh, I'm sorry. So after you get the placement where you want it, you're just going to tie it in the back, and then I just tuck the remaining pieces in here. And that is how you rock, one way that you rock the versatile turban. The next way that I'm going to style this turban is the way that I've worn it on Instagram that you guys have asked me so many times about. So I'm just going to take it out of the low pony. If I can get it out of the low pony. And we're just going to move all of this upwards. So after I get a makeshift high ponytail, I'm going to take the head socket of it and sit it on top of said ponytail. So it should look like, I should look like the Sultan from Aladdin. Well, you should look like the Sultan from Aladdin if you're redoing this. And I'm going to take the straps and pull them towards the front. And then I'm just going to wrap them around my head and try to cover this little loop of the turban. Keep in mind that I'm looking in the viewfinder because I have no clue where my mirror is at the time. So if I'm not looking at you guys, I apologize in advance. And that is another quick and cute and easy way to wear the versatile turban. The last way we're going to style the versatile turban is with our hair down. Now, your style, if you do this, is probably going to look a lot better than mine because maybe your curls are going to be a little more defined. But, you know, me and my curls been through some stuff. Like, we've been to the pool, so shorty is like in desperate need of a wash. So I'm going to take my handy dandy head socket and slide it on my head. And try to get it centered because, oh my god, this is so hard to do without a mirror. And then I'm going to bring my 2 straps to the front, wrap around. Well, actually, I'm going to just take one at a time and pull one through this little loop in the front. I don't know if you guys can see me pulling it through there. Oh my god, I caught my lash. My lashes didn't fall off, did they? Alright, my lash still intact. So, and then I'm going to do the same thing with the other one. Oh my gosh, and this time I got my hair in it. So you should look like this by the time that you've pulled both through the hoop. And then I'm going to just wrap it around one more time. And I'm going to, let me turn to the back so you guys can see. So after I get it wrapped, I'm just going to tie and tuck. Tucking is essential when wearing a turban because don't nobody want to deal with all that excess fabric, and you have to tuck it and make sure that it looks cute for your turban style because you don't want your turban to be looking bulky. And that is the third way that I love to wear my versatile turban. Miss filming videos, like even though I filmed videos that were absolute garbage that will never see the light of day. I do miss filming videos for you guys, so comment down below and let me know what you guys will want to see next. And also give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. It's the red button right there or there. I'm not sure what side of the screen you're looking at, but yeah, it should be down there somewhere. It's a big red button. Just hit it. Boom. So yeah, make sure you subscribe. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.